Okay, so the technique is important. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3 is make sure your paint is fluid. I mean, that is one of the most challenging things ever. Just, using too thick of paint, and I see that with artists many times. They take the paint right out of the tube, however it is, and sometimes it has that really thick, buttery consistency. It's heavy body acrylic. Don't do that. If you're trying to paint little faces and you're using thick paint, you're going to frustrate yourself. Instead, make sure your paint is fluid, and the way to do that is to get yourself a spray mister. Now, this is a Flairosol spray mister. You can get these at Amazon, but any spray bottle that can just spray a nice fine mist of water works well. And what you do is you just simply spray your palette. Spray your palette. All right, you spray it every 15 minutes.